I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials, power and permissions. Make sure the camera battery is at least 50% and your iPhone has Bluetooth and location enabled. These let devices discover each other. Once done, open the camera's companion app on your iPhone because many cameras require the app to complete pairing. Put the camera into Wi-Fi or pairing mode, check the LED or on-screen icon, and watch for the device name to appear in the app. This starts the secure link between devices. Once the camera shows up, choose it in the app or iPhone Wi-Fi list. If the camera creates a hotspot, type the password shown on its display. You must grant the app permissions for microphone, photos, and camera so recordings save and audio syncs. After that, configure capture settings such as 4K 30 FPS or 1080p 60 FPS to match your needs. This reduces dropped frames. Finally, verify the live view appears in the app. That confirms your feed is active. You finish by recording a short clip and saving it to ensure transfer integrity and correct audio sync. Once done, enable auto sync or cloud backup if the app supports it, because that prevents data loss and keeps timestamps consistent. If the camera won't connect, try simple fixes. Reboot both devices, forget the camera network on the iPhone and rejoin, retype the password, and update the app or firmware. These steps solve most pairing issues. If not, consult model-specific support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.